Good day, my friends. So how to adjust the time on this watch Casio F91W? To do that, first we have to move or to change the mode to the adjust mode, and to do that press the mode button on the bottom left. 1, 2 and 3. So now as you can see, the second is blinking. Yes, and then we can press the right button to make the second become 0. So if it is 29 or less, it will become 0, like this one, 29. Okay, and if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 but with additional minute. Okay, now to cycle to the next item to set, we can press the light button on the top left. It now changed to the hour. We can press this button, the right button, to add the value for the hour, like this. Okay, and then to cycle to the next item, we can press again the light button, and same thing, we can press this one to add the value, and then again press the light button. Now we are moving to this one, the month. We can also press this one to add the value, and then after 12 it will become 1 again, January, and so on. So let me return to October. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then press again the light button. Now the date, you can press to change the date. Again, press again. Now is the day, you can press and it will cycle Thursday, Friday, and so on. So let me return to Wednesday. Again, now again the second. And if the setting is already done, you can press the mode button to exit the adjust mode, and done. You have set the time on your F91W. One more thing, you can also change the format from 24 hours to AM PM or 12 hours by pressing the right button on timekeeping mode. So for example, this one is 16 on 24-hour format. It will become 4 PM on the AM PM format. Just press this one on the timekeeping mode. Hopefully this is useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.